Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day on this one, and I will say that from where I sit, more of a challenging, tricky chart to talk about from the presentation standpoint, because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there or right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then yeah, from that perspective, the chart looks pretty bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, sure, the price did pull back from its highs. But I mean, let's actually think about things from an overall perspective. And let me squeeze down the chart to really just offer up perspective. And you can see that. Oh, here's an old annotation. I'll just get rid of that. But even with the pullback here, I mean, think about where the price has been over the past several weeks. The price was right there as lows, and then you had the price put lows right there. And then you fast forward here where the price found new lows today right there. And from the big picture point of view, if you envision these as stair steps, what do you have? Well, very clearly, the stair steps are still going in the upwards direction. And that's what it's all about. That's how long-term uptrends are constructed. It's all about putting in those higher bases over extended periods of time. And like I said, that is exactly what's been the case so far here. Now, again, I get it. If you're some sort of scalper, day trader, flipper, and you bought, right there, and your plan was wanting to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well, yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair steps. But assuming you do care about the big picture point of view, everything is still perfectly fine. And like I said, the price did a great job of, let me zoom back in here, of holding up above that green line, which I talked about previously. So price came down here, found some support right around that 5-cent mark, and it's held up strong above that level. So again, sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days like we were just doing, you can see that the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's what the name of the game is. So let's see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.